Make a magic ring, put the hook under the cross, secure it with one chain. Ready? Now make 4 more chains, total will be 5, and work into the ring double crochet. Two chains, double crochet into the ring, 2 chains, double crochet into the ring. Continue till you reach 8 stitches. This will be the first one, second, third, fourth, 2 chain, fifth, 2 chain, 6, 2 chain, 7, 8, and 2 chain. Now we can tie the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now join into the third loop, to the third chain. Make slip stitch. Ready? Now make another slip stitch under the next arch and make 4 chains. 4. Now work into the same arch. Make 3 treble crochet. With the chains it will be 4 stitches in total. 4. Ready? Now we will make 11 chain arch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Ready? Continue. 4 treble crochet into the next arch. Make it tight. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now make 3 chain arch. And again 4 treble crochet into the next space. Now again we will make 11 chain arch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and continue exactly the same way. 4 treble crochet into the next arch, and we will meet you right over here. Last 3 chain arch and join into the first stitch, into the 4th chain, join. Now we can cut the yarn, and our square is ready. Next I will show you how to join one square with another one. Again, make a magic ring and complete the row 1 and we will meet you right over here on the second row. I finished row number 1 and I made 4 treble crochet, 4 chains and 3 treble crochet. Now we need to make an arch, and I will make 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. Now grab the second square with the hook under the 11 chain arch and make single crochet. Ready. Make sure you work on the same side. Now make 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and go back to square and make 4 treble crochet into the next space. One, 2, 3, and 4. Now instead of 3 chain space, make 1 chain, go under the 3 chain space of the second square and make single crochet. 1 chain to go back, and again make 4 treble crochet into the next space. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again 5 chain, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook under the next 11 chain arch and make single crochet. 5 chain, 4, 5, and go back and make 4 treble crochet into the next space. This is 2, 3, and 4, and make 3 chain space and go under the same square, and that's how it looks like. When you will go on this side, you might work under this joining.